A year from now, you're going to look back at this moment, and the only questions that will matter are: did you start? Did you stay consistent? And did you build the version of yourself that you're proud of? The 2026 you is watching and waiting. And he or she is hoping you don't quit on them. Hey, real talk. Did you know that only 8% of people actually follow through on their New Year's goals? 8%. That means 92% of people set goals, get excited, and then nothing. Now, let's make this personal. Imagine you're 18 years old, a high school senior, and the freezing Colorado winter wind is howling outside. You've grown up in the snow in a town where the seasons change, but sometimes it feels like you don't. That's where Ava is right now. She's always loved playing an instrument, more specifically, the piano. It's her escape, the one place where everything makes sense. But here's the thing. Ava doesn't just want to play anymore. She wants to master it. She dreams of composing her own music, of playing in competitions, of turning this passion into something bigger. So at the start of the year, she makes a promise to herself. This is the year I take piano seriously. She sets a goal to practice every single day, to push herself harder than ever before, to get so good that when she plays, people stop and want to listen. But if you've ever set a goal before, you already know what happens next. At first, Ava's all in. She practices for hours, fingers flying all over the keys, the melodies filling her room. But then, life happens. Schoolwork piles up, senior events pull her away, and some nights, she's just tired. A week passes, then two, and before she knows it, the piano is sitting there, untouched, collecting dust like every other abandoned New Year's resolution. Maybe you've been there. You start something with fire, but when the excitement fades, so does your effort. That's the difference between most people and the 8% who actually follow through. Without commitment, you'll never start. Without consistency, you'll never finish. One night, Ava sits at her piano, frustrated. She's mad at herself for slipping, for letting the days pass without playing. But then, she asks herself a question she heard on a recent podcast. What will the 2026 version of me be most proud of? She closes her eyes and pictures it. 2 years from now, she's on stage, fingers moving effortlessly, playing a song she wrote herself. The audience is silent, completely lost in the music. And she realizes, that version of Ava, she doesn't just appear out of nowhere. She's built by every single decision Ava makes today. That night, she makes a choice. Not just to want it, but to commit to it. Here's the thing about commitment. It's easy to say, it's hard to keep. So Ava does something different. She stops relying on motivation and builds a system. She sets a non-negotiable rule. 15 minutes of piano in the morning at 5:45, 5 days a week, no excuses. She keeps a notebook by her piano, tracking her progress. And she tells her best friend her goal and asks her to check in every week. And guess what? Some days, Ava still doesn't feel like practicing. But the difference now? She does it anyway. And something amazing happens. The more she sticks with it, the easier it gets. The progress starts to show, and the fire she felt in January, it comes back stronger. Here's the truth. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just need to win by following through, starting tonight. So here's your challenge. Before you go to bed, do one thing your 2026 self will thank you for. If your goal is to get better at something, practice for 10 minutes a day and commit to 5 days a week. Make it simple. If your goal is to be more focused, silence your phone while studying. If your goal is to start something new, take the first small step. Everything starts with starting. Because small wins, they build momentum. And momentum builds an unstoppable version of you. Look, here's what I know. If you want to win this year, you first have to win the first quarter of the year, the first 3 months. If you want to win the first 3 months, you have to first win each month by themselves. If you want to win each month, you have to win each of the 4 weeks. If you want to win this week, you have to win each day. To win each day, it starts with winning your morning. But it doesn't start there, because to win tomorrow morning, you first have to win tonight. A year from now, You're going to look back at this moment, and the only questions that will matter are, did you start? Did you stay consistent? And did you build the version of yourself that you're proud of? The 2026 you is watching and waiting, and he or she is hoping you don't quit on them. The biggest mistake to avoid in your youth is not investing in building your mental skills. Let's get to work, and it starts today.